Have you ever wondered if your ATV wheel bearings are bad? Keep watching to find out how to test them. There's a few audible and visible signs you can look for. Humming when you're going in a straight line, grinding, clicking and clunking when you're turning, wobbling, uneven tread, and even pulling when you're driving. Now this is how you test it. Step 1, park on a flat and even surface. Step 2, get a jack and put it under one side if you can. Step 3, grab the wheel to 12 and 6 o'clock position and pull back and forth. If you see movement, that's a bad sign. Step 4, put your hand at the 3 and 9 o'clock position and try wiggling. If you have any of the signs I stated earlier and you have movement in your wheel like this and like that, you're probably going to have your wheel bearings replaced.